Love staying here. It's convenient to the hospitals. Trams are a 4 minutes walk which take you directly to Flinders Street or the zoo. Great location. Friendly staff. Awesome value for money. Love the added parking and breakfast. North Melbourne Gem. Location is amazing, close to everything. Great value. Clean, new furnishings. Building old, but good. Breakfast provided. Friendly, helpful staff. I'd definitely stay again. Excellent value, great stay, I'll be back. Great value, outstanding value, excellent location, friendly staff. Would definitely stay again. Good location. Arden staff are friendly as. This place is well located, not far from the city and a short walk to trams. The price included breakfast and parking. Sure, the place is a bit old, but hey, the other positives outweigh that. Great value. We have stayed at the Arden Motel several times. The rooms are well presented, the location is great and the staff very accommodating. Great. Everything you'll need for the right price. Super friendly staff. Albion Aging Motel, very clean and the breakfast included is a winner. Courteous staff, friendly approach. We will use again. Looking for a bed? Perfect. Looking to lay your head down for the night? Arden St. Motel is perfect. Located within walking distance to Royal Melb bus stop that takes you to and from NTH Melb train station. It's definitely a rundown motel, but the bed sheets are clean, the breakfast is free and the staff are just lovely. We had an ant issue, rang front desk, the lovely gentleman was at our door to fix the issue ASAP. If you're looking for luxury, you won't find it here, but if you just need a place to lay your head for the night, this is your place. It's cheap, clean, breakfast free and staff wonderful. We have stayed many times over the past 20 years and staff have always been lovely. A great place to stay in Melbourne, a good value, well located motel. We will return.